Victoria, and we have a special guest today. It's Sam.
Hello, people.
It's clown. It's clown. It's totally not.
You definitely don't mind the arm in the background. That's nothing.
Yeah, that's nothing. It's definitely nothing. We're just tap dancing clowns.
See, look, tap dancing.
And today we are going to be doing. Wait, what was it called again?
It was called.
Oh, right. We're going to be rehearsing overly dramatic walkers.
Yes.
Overly dramatic wolf walkers. Yeah. All right.
If you watch Wolf Walkers or you do not know what this is and you're not seeing this YouTube channel, then you are crazy.
And you need to like and subscribe, or else the Grim Reaper will show up at your door waving through your people. And he will bust in and kill you. Alright.
We're definitely not humans. That's just a fact.
Okay.
Stop pushing me to the side.
You stop pushing me. Okay, so I am May Momaktira. Wait, did I get that right? I think it's May Umatenrika. It's something. Okay?
You got it right, You got it right. I'm Robin. I'm definitely Robin, not Sam. Not Sam.
Stop. You're gonna kill me. Okay.
Okay, I won't kill you.
You got tangled. Okay. And then we shall show you in our wolf forms right after we cut the video. Okay. Is that better?
So, is everything good now?
Okay, yes. Also,
You showed your face on camera!
Stop it! You're not allowed to say it! Stop. Okay.
Flee!
So my Kaylee's watching. Okay, So, by the way, we're all doing these voices, okay? Just us two.
Yeah, it's just...
Right, now,
Even my cat. He's in here. He's just so you know. Yeah.
Your cat's dead.
Oh my god. My father's gonna be so proud of me. I'm gonna just shoot this wolf sign, and then my father will be so happy at me. Yay! Shoots wolf with the crossbow. It was real. Sudden death.
You never saw the hand. Wait, you can never leave the walls. I'm gonna kill you if you ever leave the walls. I'm your dad, and I'm gonna leave like a very obvious follow trail. Oh, and you're gonna have your little birdie like go find me, but you're not allowed to. I won't allow
What?
it.
I did not understand what you said, Father. Actually, I did.
You can never go outside the walls ever. You will not survive because you're a weak little girl and I'm sexist.
You're mean to me, Father.
Goodbye.
I couldn't even go into a different room.
Say it.
I'm gonna follow him.
Let's dance.
Wait, just sudden death for Father.
Oh
Oh no, it killed me, Father. Oh wait, that scene never.
You still can't go outside. Goodbye now.
Oh. I will barge into this gate. Yes.
Oh my god, you're in the forest. Oh my god, you're so smelly. I don't like you. Oh my god, I'm just gonna like cut you down. Oh, by the way, here's a bite.
You're so mean, Father. I will kick you. My foot's backwards.
Oh my god, you're outside. Oh my god, you're so smelly. I don't like you. Oh, by the way, here's a bite.
I will follow you.
Oh my god, we're besties now. Oh my god,
Yes.
we bonded over my like mother, like just
Let me.
dropping dead. Yeah, so we're like besties now.
Yeah. What happened to your mother?
I don't fluff and know. Am I supposed to know this?
No.
Am I supposed to be responsible?
No. But you should subscribe.
I mean, yeah, kind of should. I mean, like, we work really hard on these things. Like, look at that. Look at that little dance. Look at that dance. Who can say no to a dance like that? Here, you know what? We'll both do it. Except you'll see my feet. We'll do some tap dancing for you. As long as you like and subscribe.
And if you don't subscribe,
The Grim Reaper will wait
No.
at your front door. And then you'll see this in your ring. In your ring.
the Lord
ring
will
camera.
come for you in his ghost.
And then you'll be like, how does he know?
And you'll die! Yay!
have a ring
If you
camera?
don't subscribe, this tarantula will crawl on you.
We don't have a tarantula.
Oh, I have it in my sleeve.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Okay, give me a second.
All you have is an ace, bro. All you have is an
I
ace.
have a fly.
That's a mosquito. Oh my god, you're a fraud, bro.
I'm not a friend.
Anyway,
Ah!
anyway, back to the film. Okay, so yeah, with like so besties.
Yes.
We have to never mention my mother. We're bonding over like my mother just suddenly dying and disappearing. But yeah, so you're gonna like meet me tomorrow, correct?
Yes.
Nice. Here's some more twerking. I'm gonna twerk. Twerking. Alright, goodbye now.
Goodbye. I will die.
We are.
Oh, something's pulling me.
Alright. But
I don't want to clean anymore. Ah! Oh.
girl. Girl.
What?
Girl.
What did I do to you to deserve this?
Oh my god, why are you here? Oh my god, you should be here. The Lord Protector, he's like so dumb and idiotic, and I'm probably gonna get arrested for him, like a dumb dude over there. But like, oh my god, you're not supposed to be here, so get out! Get out!
Don't push me.
We have to close this door. You saw nothing.
Wait,
Remember,
did you just say like and subscribe?
Just don't mind harm.
What time is it? What time?
That looks like a woman. Just lift it up.
What
Great.
time is it?
What's your funny? Okay, just stand properly. I'm going to do this myself. Take.
Okay. Oh, what time is it? Oh, I'm a wolf. I need to find my wolf.
My
Oh,
wolf Bessie.
I'm a wolf. I must run out of this window before my father finds me. Whee!
You're awake.
I'm awake.
What?
Oh, I'm a wolf. Uh-oh. I have to run before my father kills me.
So the wolf right here. Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Who the hell are you? You're not in my pack. I don't like you.
What?
Who the hell are you? You're not in my pack. I don't like you.
What?
Who the hell are you? You're not in my pack. I don't like you.
Why are you in this movie?
That hurt, bro. That
I'm
hurt.
talking to the wolf, not you.
I know.
I will.
This is Maeve. This
Oh.
is Maeve Makachim.
I didn't know that.
All right, into the bloopers you go.
From me, father.
Who the hell are you? I don't like you. Why are you here?
Maeve.
Do you know who I am? Who are you? Why
I
are you
am
here?
Robin. I am Robin.
Oh, my bestie! Oh my god, my bestie!
Then why are you speaking like an old man?
You're a wolf now. It's great.
It's not great. I am mad at you for saying it's great.
Well, you
Okay,
gave me a heckin' lot of time.
Okay, I'm not mad anymore.
Good.
Can I go to bed now?
No! We're supposed to remember? We planned it right here in the timestamp. Timestamp 92.68 million. We're supposed to do a crazy number about like running with the wolves.
Okay.
Except we got our remix, so we won't get copyrighted. Yeah.
Yes. So we won't copy the real thing.
I'm running with the wolves tonight. I'm running with the wolves. I'm running with the wolves. And we looking like some human like. I don't like it. We look like ballerinas out of a TV show. We dress like this from Halloween. So trick or treat.
Wait, it's not even Halloween.
So let's trick or treat.
It's not even Halloween. Halloween passed 5 minutes ago. We're not here.
Nobody asked your mom all those smack talks. All right, that's what we're doing.
Okay, should we skip to the next part?
But I wasn't done singing.
Okay, let's finish and then we'll do it.
I'm running with the wolves
Tonight.
I'm running with the vultures and pandas. I'm running with the vultures and pandas.
I'm
They're
running
eating
with
the
the
meat out of the
Volvos.
pandas, and then every
I'm
once in a
running
while,
with the Volvos tonight.
and then every once in a while, you get an angry panda that will kill all the vultures to keep the vulture population down. It's like Spawner from Minecraft. Yeah.
All right, turn this off.
Crap. Did you hear?
It's okay, Wolf. Wolf.
In the bloopers you go. Hey guys, this is Haley back with you with another video, and we got a special guest here. Sam, she's a clown. She's a clown.
Yeah, I'm a clown. I'm definitely not a human.
Yep, definitely not any humans. No humans here.
No humans allowed in this show.
We're just tap dancing clowns.
Yeah.
Dancing clowns.
Yeah.
No humans here. What are you talking about? No humans here.
Dance. All right, this is bloopers. Why, I can't tell them that we're doing bloopers?
Fire!
Fire! Oh no, they're burning down the forest. OMG, where's my bestie?
Guys, we have to get out.
I will climb on you.
Where the fuck is my mom? Where the fluff's my mom? You promised me. We are no longer besties.
She's over here.
Fire.
She's over here.
You've grown, you idiot. Alrighty.
Fire?
No, the Pokemon.
Where's the fire? Where is the fire? We're supposed to be making a movie. Not a fire.
Not making the movie. Here's the fire. He's riding a ship. Oh no, the fire is spreading. We have to
I'm on fire. Help me. I'll ride on you. I'll just ride on you. There.
Don't worry, I'll shoot you. Bam!
Oh my god, I'm so dead. You killed her. I will avenge you.
We must heal her. Her soul. Goodbye. I will leave this world twerking.
Goodbye, fellow world.
In her cave, in the giant healing cave, and in her body of death, she's Cinder. She's huge. So Cinder.
We must heal her. Oh my god, bestie, come on. Let's heal over here. I'll sit on you. Wait, I'm supposed to be the one who's a wolf.
No, we're both wolves, remember?
Oh,
That never happened. That never happened.
audience.
Just fall asleep real quick. Just fall asleep. Alright. No, I meant in your human body.
Oh.
Alright, so.
Death.
That's dark. That's okay. So we have to heal her. Healing.
Look, what's this madness?
Oh, I'm alive. Yeah, you saved me.
I did not save you.
And now me. And now you guys are narcissists. Dang it. I was supposed to be gay in this story. But I'm not gay. I can't marry my sister. Oh, now we're just like. Oh, we're riding the horses.
Why am I still in the story? You didn't tell me this was gonna happen. Okay, bloopers you go.
Oh my god, we're so free.
Yes, we are sissies. We're not moving anywhere though. We're not free.
Screw it.
We're not free. Ah! I will run into the screen
Get out
if you
here.
don't
Okay.
subscribe.
Get out of here. Okay. So so credits. This stupid piece of the fluff is done by Samantha,
Yes.
actually.
Don't call me my full name. Smack.
Take that.
Can we use our real hands now?
Sure.
Yay. Hands.
No, I wouldn't.
All right, we'll do a face reveal.
You can do one. Get that face in there. Get that face in there. Get this face in here. Look at this beautiful face. Look at this beautiful face. Okay, JK. Alright. No, girl, you'll spend the rest of the thing.
All right, we have
Alright,
to do a feet
so-
reveal though.
No. Feet reveal. Okay, feet reveal. Here's my sock. Okay,
Feet reveal.
as I was saying,
What
So-
is life?
editing by me, Wolf by me, all other characters besides Robin.
I'm character.
I don't know the last name. Is by me.
Robin Bin Scottsko.
Basically, the whole thing is by me.
Robin Bin Scottsko.
Who the hell is that? Like and subscribe.
Before a campaign check. What's campaign?
What is wrong with this bathroom? I'm so sorry. Why is this bathroom like this? I'm still posting this.